2020 is a very special day. It's wearing the title, Samsung Galaxy S5 Unboxing. Yes, in 2020. Now what you don't know is that this was actually my first Android phone. I know, you might say I'm extremely late to the party, but you know what? Over the years, I've been mainly a BlackBerry 10 guy, and I still very much am. Oh, where's the... Okay, there we go. Yes, BlackBerry 10 for the win. So, then after that, I was using BlackBerry 10 in 2014. Then I acquired Windows Phone in August 2017, iOS May 2018, and now finally Android June 2020. Wow. Okay, let's cut into this. Okay, I don't even really need to cut into this. It's already... It is here. Okay, I think I was facing the blade the wrong way and I tried to open it. And would you look at that? It's actually brand new as a seller sale. Okay, so for the specifications, we can read them. My Life powered by Samsung Galaxy S5. So it has a quad-core 2.5 gigahertz Snapdragon... No, where does it say the Snapdragon part? So, okay, here you can see that this is the SMG 900WH unit. So that means that this, I believe, is the Canadian model. And, yes, IP67 water and dust resistance. This is one of the reasons why I actually got it. Actually, that's the major reason why I got it. Because I wanted my first Android phone to have certain features. I wanted it to have a removable battery, water resistance, the 16:10 aspect ratio, certain other things. So, now all the screen size is small for my taste because, as you know, I prefer phones that are at least 14 centimeters or larger. This thing, I believe, is probably around 13, 12. At least it's not terribly small, but at the same time, I do wish we're close to 14. Okay, so... Is there anything more here? No. Just throw that off to the side. Wow, would you look at that? Ensure that the back cover and multi-purpose jack cover are tightly closed to prevent water and dust entering the device. Wait, the headphone jack has to be closed? How do you do that? Ensure that the back... Oh wait, are they talking about this? Because yeah, that does bring up a good question. If this thing is really supposed to be water and dust resistant, then I don't know, man. Because like the speakers, that doesn't exactly look water resistant. And then the headphone jack, what happens if water goes in that? Isn't that gonna like fry it? I don't know. Before this video, I kind of thought about actually doing a water test, but I'd have to further look into that to see if that's actually such a good idea. How do you get this thing off? Oh, here we go. It's already slightly lifted. Should we take out the plastic first? So I just want to get into this. Okay, so there's a slight notch there. That's like... Just run your fingers around. Oh man, this feels so darn good. This feels really good to be getting off this back. Okay, so it's a little... Alright, there we go. And it looks like... Actually, no, hold on. I'm not going to tell the unit has no battery, like an idiot, when there are more things in here. Like these wonderful books. The Quick Start Guide. I'm going to read all of this. I'm kidding. Obviously not, that's extremely boring. Okay, you need to focus, man. You know, we'll just roll this off to the side and deal with that later because that's very, very boring. Okay, so I have this charging brick that I probably will not use because I already have Anchor and some other more premium things. Well, not that they can take advantage of their high speeds and wattage anyways, but... Or can it? Actually, I'm pretty sure that it can to a certain degree. Obviously, probably not like 60 or 100 watts, but I'm pretty sure that it still does charge it faster, because I know with my other devices, like the Passport or even the iPhone 6s Plus, that the Anchors, they do actually charge them faster than, say, their regular stock bricks. So, and there's... Is that USB-B? This thing doesn't have USB-B. This is micro USB, so why would they have that? Oh, wait. It is USB-B. That's very, very unusual. You look at this guy, you can see it's micro USB. I didn't know this thing was actually USB-B. What? Okay, this is news to me because I legitimately did not know that. Wow. So micro, and then USB-B. Wow, that's really odd. I'd say that's almost an anomaly, really. Couldn't pronounce that word weird. But yeah, that's really, really different. Definitely really alien. Okay, so... Yeah, that headphone jack, though, it does have me kind of concerned about getting water into it. Okay, the headsets, these look really cheap. But hey, I'm glad it has all its original accessories. This is definitely going to come in handy because I was here thinking that this thing uses micro just like other 2013 to... When did phones start using micro USB? I think it was 2015, 2016. Yeah, I think it was 2015 because I believe... No. Was it 2016? I don't know. Let's just say 2015 to 16. Okay. So that's enough of that. Anything more else in this car? No. Or should I actually try to leave it in its original state? Just in case I don't know. Okay, now I'm gonna just do that off camera. I don't want to bore people here. Wow. I am holding a removable battery in 2020. Now, to be fair, I think, well, there are a couple of handsets, at least 2020, that do have a removable battery, but they're far few and in between. Okay, am I lining this up correctly? Yeah. Okay. I originally had intentions to get the Note 4 first, but I didn't because I was too slow, and then I missed the deal to get some, I don't know, what am I saying? Yeah, so I originally intended to get the Note 4 first, but then by the time I went to buy it from a certain seller for a very specific variant, it was out of stock, so I was just like, whatever. Okay, no, seriously, where's the power port? Yeah, I'm looking like a complete idiot, but I don't know. So, okay, I think this is it. Yeah, that's it. And it powers up immediately. Do I really need this light on, or is that too much? Okay. All right, so select language. We're going to select, let me put the back cover back on first. All right, there we go. Now I will choose, okay, what are my options? So I can only pick English, French, Korean, of course, because, you know, this does come from South Korea. And I believe that is simplified Chinese, not supposed to be standard Chinese. I don't know, because that doesn't look very simple to me, but what do I know? Okay, why do I see two Englishes? Oh, yeah, there's not two Englishes, that was the same thing. Okay, so insert SIM card. No, I will not insert SIM card, we'll just go straight to next. And for Wi-Fi, might have to probably censor this part. Okay, so for the date and time, it's not June 2, it's June 1. What is wrong with this thing? Okay. Google may regularly check installed apps for potentially harmful behavior. Learn more in Google settings. I don't know. I'll decline that for now. The time is 8:22 p.m. Eastern. I don't know why that says AM, but I've been almost correct. The time zone. It's not the China time zone. Are you serious, guys? Come on. Whatever. Oh boy. I understand. Do I have to consent to that? I can say no thanks, right? Okay, I guess I have to just agree to at least the UL and diagnostic data. But for the other stuff, let's just say no thanks. Do you have a Google account? If you use Gmail or Google Apps, answer yes. Yeah? Okay. So, bye. Alright, so I signed in and they say that this can take a few minutes, so I think I might... Oh boy. Back up and restore your data to a Google account. Do I want to do that? Location, no. Accuracy and other purposes, scan for Wi-Fi networks. No. No. For this one, back up your data to... should I say yes or should I not? Gosh, I really do not know. No, actually, no. Okay. Set up credit card. No, not right now. Alright, create a Samsung account. No, skip. Dropbox, skip. Name this device. I don't know what to name it. We'll just name it, should I call it Pluto? No. You know, honestly, I do not know. We'll just call it, unidentified white planet. Yeah, it'll just be a placeholder. Oh, I can't actually make it. Okay, never mind. We'll just have to lump it all together then. I'm gonna change its name. Just can't think of anything better for now. Probably gonna name it after some sort of... Are you serious? Okay, we'll just call it, planet. You know what? I'm struggling way too bad to think of a name. I'm just gonna call it... What should I call this phone? I should have thought this through. I don't know what I'm going to call my phone. You know, we will call it... we'll call it... White Pearl. Okay. No. Why is it dark? Ugh! Okay, white... You know what? I'm skipping this, because I'm wasting way too much time. Done. Easy mode, I don't need no easy mode. Enter device name, but I don't know what to name the device! I just don't know! Okay, we'll call it, White Galaxy. Yeah, White Galaxy, okay. Okay, so I finally have it set up. I apologize for how cringy this video has been, but it's ready now, so yeah, that's what it looks like. And that is all for this video.